Hi friends, welcome to A Clean with me. You know the first thing I do, the dishes. You want to know why? The dishes will be doing its thing. They will be cleaning while I do other things. And that way, when I'm done cleaning that, I can unload the dishes later in like 2 hours because I have it on sanitize mode. We are scrubbing that deep sink with some Dawn or dish soap. Yeah, I think it's Dawn soap. Let me tell you, you guys, I get the jumbo size on Amazon. And I've got my Scrub Daddy sponges. I love those sponges. And now all these cups and things, they need to go away. Like, that's just clutter. I don't know about you, but clutter just gets on my dang nerves. I think it even gets on my cat's nerves. Like, they don't like it. When they see clutter, they go crazy. This is air freshener. I did a DIY on the gram. I will link that for you. It just makes the house smell really good. Here I am. I'm just gonna continue to put all the dishes away. This is a little hack that I learned on TikTok. You put dishwater in there, you turn it on, and it's supposed to clean your air fryer. But I'll update you. I'll show you what really happened. I'm refilling my coffee pods right there. That's storage now. And now I'm going ahead and I'm cleaning. Oh my gosh, I can't stop laughing. It was literally storage. Yeah, so that hack did not work this time around, but sometimes it does work. So I just had to just scrub it. I should have just scrubbed it to begin with, to be honest. So now I'm just going to put that on the rack and just let that dry. I've had that forever. That was a baby bottle dryer. Justin is going to help by washing that carpet because it gets dirty. And now I'm using that Scentiva. It smells so good. It is a disinfecting spray. You wipe it down. Let me tell you about Orange Glow. I learned this from professional cleaners when I was pregnant with Liam and I got my house professionally cleaned. They told me that this works for stainless steel. You don't have to buy like special stainless steel cleaner. You can use your wood furniture cleaner and it makes it just as shiny. Do you see? It is stunning. It is gorgeous. It is everything it needs to do. Yeah, so I get it on Amazon because I can't seem to find it anywhere else. And I like to clean the knobs on the stove. And sometimes I like to use Lysol for that to kind of disinfect the knobs as I cook. I don't know, you know me. I just like to disinfect everything. I'm just over here cleaning my Nespresso as well. And then I'm also gonna clean my little trash area right here. Oh my gosh, when I was watching this, I missed a spot and it was bothering me. Do you see the spot on the compost bin? That thing is bothering me. By the way, I will link that trash can because everybody loves that trash can and that compost bin combo. It's recycle, trash, and composting. I vacuumed and look at that nasty. I even vacuumed upstairs, but I didn't even film upstairs, to be honest. I just was too lazy to bring it upstairs. I get winded when I clean now. I think it's because of age, but the way I used to clean like even 5 years ago versus now, I just get winded. I have no clue why. So yeah, I'm just organizing the straws here. My boys have a lot of water bottles. And over here, I emptied the dishes and I am going ahead and I am unloading. Oh no, I'm loading it again because I emptied it earlier. Oh, do you see this fridge? It is disgusting. Like, girl, the freezer is a mess. Like, who does that? I guess I do. So now it's time to kind of organize everything. And have you noticed sometimes you find some random stuff in your freezer? I'm not even gonna lie. I have had some, like, I didn't even think that stuff expired in the freezer, but I surely knew that some of this stuff needed to go. So I threw away some stuff. But I kept a lot. Like ice cream, that doesn't go bad. Just kidding. I would never let ice cream expire. I'd eat that thing. The way I sit there and just eat a tub of ice cream, that's called self-care, literally. So those are some yummy fruit popsicles. And I have all these little ice things for the lunch boxes. Oh, that ice face roller though. Let me link that for you because I use it to depuff my face. So I vacuumed all the crumbs off of the freezer and now, oh, yo, you guys, you see that? Those are Otter Pops. Those are so yummy. I love Otter Pops. But I think it's a different kind. It's the Target brand or whatever. They taste the same. I like Otter Pops year round. And so I'm just wiping that down. And my microfiber cloth is soap and water. So that was the before. The, ooh girl, let me judge you. And that's the after. People can come over now. Come check my fridge. It's okay. I'm not going to feel like you're judging because it looks fine. And so now it's time to steam those floors because these floors get nasty. I do like mopping. I truly love mopping, but I also love trying out new gadgets. So I bought this on Amazon during Prime Access. I think that was around the time I bought it. And it rotates, it steams. All you do is add water, and if you wanted, you could add essential oils on the bottom of those pads that are washable. and then you just clean. Go ahead and mop your floors. I mean, spin mop your floors and sanitize it. Wait for it to cool when you touch the bottom, and then you can remove, you can add more. I was gonna go ahead and put the couch cushions back because we washed it, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna let Justin do that for me so I can go focus on doing something else. So he went ahead and did that, but of course he had to add a little spin. Oh goodness, when I edited this, I was like, sir, what is you doing? I saw on TikTok that people are starting to scrub their cabinets with like a brush, soap and water. I can't do that because we had our whole house painted, and if I did that, I would like scrub off the paint. So what I use is Lysol disinfecting wipes instead and magic erasers to clean ours, but we can't like use brushes and things like that. So we went to the farmer's market, and I went ahead and I just washed all the fruits and veggies that we got at the farmer's market, and then I went ahead and I cut them up because we were gonna have movie night for the kids, and I put them in these little ramekins that I get on Amazon, and they just love movie night. It's just something so special that my kids love. We do some candy, some popcorn, we pick a movie for the family, enjoy. I put those in the compost bin, and then we got some goldfish and just random candy. Ooh, and cookies. Yes. Okay, so this is the snack drawer. It is a Hot Mess Express. I don't understand how that happens, but at the same time I do. Life gets busy, you know, so here I am. I'm just like getting everything organized. Oh my gosh, look at all these snacks. I love it though because I have everything organized, and I'm just gonna like put everything in its place. Like the gummies go together, the cereal bars go together. Do you see that? Have you had champurrado? That's like a Filipino dessert. I found it at this store one time, this like Filipino store. It is so good. I never knew that there was such a thing as instant champurrado because my mom used to make it when I was little, and it was a treat. It wasn't something that she made all the time, so it makes me so happy seeing things like that that remind me of my childhood. And then down here, it's more snacks. We've got like literally everything. We got oatmeal, we got cereal, we have bags of chips. Some of those chips were expired, so I had to get rid of some of the chips. We got crackers, and I have it down here because the kids can get it whenever they feel like a snack, you know what I mean? They can go and reach. And then Justin put the rug back because we washed it. I put those coffee things in the dishwasher. I don't know why I called it things. I don't know what they are. I refilled the water with purified water from the Brita filter because, you know, you got to refill the water regularly, and there's no filter on that Nespresso. This is our little pantry, and when we bought the house, they didn't have like those rolling things, so we had installed those rolling drawers, the ones that open. It's really helpful to have that, and it wasn't too expensive when we did that. But yeah, it's time for me to clean this pantry up. The way I like rely on chip clips, these chip clips are holding for dear life because that's all I do. So I vacuumed because there was some flour, there was just some crumbs, you know, and then I used a clean towel with soap and water to wipe it down, and then I just went ahead and I refilled everything from like oatmeal. Oh, I use those Madeline containers as an organizer. Don't judge, friends. My mama taught me that, and I am not about to throw away no perfectly good Madeline container. So I'm just refilling things that need to be refilled. So that's brown sugar, that's pasta, that's boba. I used to love to make homemade boba. Back in 2020 when we couldn't go out and get boba, let me tell you, I perfected my milk tea boba recipe. Like I played around with it. I'll link it below if you guys are interested because I played around and it is delicious. So yeah, that's what it's looking like, our little pantry. That's my favorite part because I like to bake a lot, so I have everything in those like clear canisters that are like super like sealed. And then this, oh girl, what are you doing with your life? So I recently discovered Barkeeper's Friend. I don't know what rock I was hiding under or living under, but I didn't know that thing existed. I did not know how well it worked, but let me tell you, my gosh, just a little scrubbing made it look brand new. Thanks for watching, friends. I linked everything if you're interested. Bye.